Big change in the bathroom is going from a single sink to a double sink. Getting an updated jacuzzi tub and get a good looking shower as opposed to kind of the old insert. There was a pony wall right about here that separated this countertop from an older jacuzzi tub. And so we wanted to do a double sink. We also wanted to go from a tile to a quartz countertop. The cabinet folks were brilliant in their suggestion of really building a whole cherry element. Gave us these shelves, which we hadn't originally anticipated. And we were able to find this wavy tile that's around the tub and on the back wall of the shower, but then the same pattern in a flat tile for the backsplash.
You see some of these seams that he's still got in there, so it matches even across different pieces and corners. So the attention to detail on this stuff was just awesome.